Today we have a really special Allard K3 Roadster with a Cadillac 331 power plant that gives it an ample amount of horsepower. It is well known on various vintage tours it's been on. It has been collector owned. It is exceptionally restored. It has the advantage of being uprated with a 5-speed gearbox, and pretty special car that we're going to take for a ride. So I hope you enjoy. Alrighty, here is our cold start, which isn't really cold because we did move the car outside, but nonetheless, it's cold enough. So we're going to take it, warm it up, and do our usual. Need I say more? This is another horn we're going to have to work on. I don't think that's going to stop anyone. Not even warn them. Never mind scare them. Alrighty. See in a little bit as it warms up. Well, we are warmed up, great temperatures and pressures. We're actually just going to show you how it cruises on the way down to the twisty, curvaceous road, and then we are going to do our flybys, and on the way back we're going to show you the mighty grunt of this Cadillac V8. And it goes pretty well. So, but it cruises all day long. And as we said, it has an uprated 5-speed. So she's very, very nice. Okay, on our curvaceous road, she's a bit of a heavy beast, but nimble nonetheless for its age. And good looking. And we should probably fill it with some fuel, but that'll be later. Certainly sounds good. They say this is a more comfortable brother to the J2X, which I just recently drove a friend of mine on the Going to the Sun rally. I can say this is not anywhere near as primitive as a J2X. So, hope you enjoy the flybys in a couple seconds. We'll be right back to you. Hope you like those flybys. Not much else we could tell you other than it's a fine automobile that's been well dialed in, as evidenced by several of the rallies it's already been on, in which we've just taken on trade towards another cool car that the client will undoubtedly enjoy on many of the vintage tours. So we'll show you the grunt, the might, the muscle as soon as we turn on to the farm road. Alrighty, this is like, it feels like I'm leaving pit out on a very short track. Fifth gear cruising, fourth, third, and here we go. I can say she's pretty happy. Hope you enjoyed it. Back to the showroom she goes.